The nastiest place you can imagine.
In 2026, for the first time in electric vehicle history, Tesla has been dethroned by BYD, a company that started making batteries for mobile phones. This is how a battery company from China didn't just catch up to Tesla, but it began to replace it entirely. Tesla's rise was extraordinary. The Roadster proved electric cars can be fast. The Model S proved that they can be luxurious. The Model 3 proved they could be accessible. Tesla didn't just build cars, they built a movement. They built charging infrastructure. They convinced the world that the future was electric. For over a decade, Tesla was untouchable. But while everyone was watching Elon Musk's tweets and promises about self-driving, something was happening in China. BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, was quietly executing a strategy so ambitious that most people didn't notice until it was too late. BYD, a company that started in 1995 making batteries for phone and electronics, were exceptionally good at it. They understood battery chemistry better than anyone else. And in 2003, they entered the car business. In 2008, Warren Buffett bought 10% of the company. And here's why BYD's strategy became so brilliant. While Tesla was struggling with supply chains, dealing with chip shortages, and negotiating with suppliers, BYD was building everything on its own. They didn't just make cars, they made the batteries, the semiconductors, the chips, the seats, the displays, the motors, everything. They even made the tools that made the tools. While making this video, our team discovered that BYD controls approximately 75% of their supply chain internally. While there was a global chip shortage that destroyed the auto industry, BYD barely slowed down because they made their own chips. BYD even owns the cargo ships delivering their cars to Europe. While other companies dealt with shipping delays and skyrocketing costs, BYD controlled the entire logistics chain. But the real game changer is the Blade battery. Traditional lithium-ion batteries can catch fire, they are expensive, and they degrade over time. The Blade batteries use lithium-ion phosphate chemistry in a unique blade-like structure, and it's much safer and much cheaper, and also more energy dense. And later on, Tesla was also forced to adopt this technology. And also, let's now talk about autonomous driving. Tesla bet everything on self-driving, while BYD took its time. And in 2026, when BYD unveiled their own self-autonomous driving system, it was better than Tesla's. The results of the BYD work in conditions where Tesla struggles. BYD didn't just copy Tesla, they identified weaknesses and engineered superior solutions. And they are doing it at half the price. A comparable BYD car costs significantly less than a Tesla, while offering similar or better range, better build quality, and superior autonomous driving capabilities. In 2026, BYD vehicles are everywhere. They are opening showrooms, building charging networks, establishing service centers. They are doing what Tesla did, but faster and with more resources. And the product lineup is diverse in ways Teslas can't match. For over a decade, Tesla defined what an electrical vehicle should be. Everyone copied Tesla's design language, minimalistic interiors, and direct sales model. Now the tables are changing. Chinese manufacturers led by BYD are setting new standards. Western companies are being forced to adopt. This is the new reality of the electrical vehicle industry. This is how a battery company became the world's largest EV manufacturer. This is how BYD didn't just catch Tesla. This is how they left Tesla behind. Welcome to the future of transportation. It's electric and it's autonomous. What do you think about BYD's rise? Let us know in the comments down below. Subscribe now.